how to disable dark mode on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you turned on dark mode on Messenger and now want to turn it off but don't know how to do it? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to disable it. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on chat section. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top, then tap on the settings icon. At the top, you will see the option for dark mode. Tap on it. If dark mode is set to on, simply toggle it to off to disable dark mode on Messenger. But if you have set it to system and tried to disable dark mode by selecting off option, then it won't work. It is because your inbuilt dark mode feature is enabled. To toggle off system inbuilt dark mode feature, swipe down on your screen to access quick settings, find the dark mode feature and turn it off. As you can see, dark mode is now disabled. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to disable dark mode on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.